There are four key elements we need to be aware of when it comes to case management. The four elements are case type, country, the application type, and the service level. The combination of these elements define what the case is and how it should behave within Patricia. In many ways, these four elements define the case. Let's take a look at an example. When we create a new case, you'll note that the case creation screen requires us to add certain values. These values are mandatory and exist on each case within Patricia. Take a look at the required fields and notice that the four elements are present and they need to be populated: the case type, the country, the application type, and the service level. Also, when I have a case opened, these elements are prominently displayed in the banner area. So why is this so important? Let's say I have two patent matters, one filed with priority and one without. We can define this difference in the application type area. Or perhaps a client does not want to receive renewal reminders. This then can be set on the service level area. The takeaway here is that the elements combined define what a case record is and how it behaves. Let's take a look at each part in detail. First, we have the case type, which defines the type of case we're dealing with. This case type is usually represented by 1, 2, or 3 letters. For patent cases, this is the letter P, and trademarks would be the letters TM. The country element defines to which country the case relates to. If a trademark filing was done in South Africa, then this will be the country selected on the case. Next, we have the application type, and this we use to define additional attributes of the case. An example could be that our trademark matter is being filed with or without priority, and we set this on the application type. Lastly, we have the service level, which is simply just another level definition available to us. For trademarks, this might be used to define how renewal reminders are to be handled. So to summarize, these four elements are key to defining what a case record is and how it behaves within Patricia.